wonderful afternoon, my fellow graduates, to all our parents, teachers, friends, and guests. I am Tatiana Dominic Inarde Mendoza, and I am 5 years old. I study well in school so that when I grow up, I can become a chef, an artist, and a fashion designer. I will never forget my classmates, especially the younger ones, because I will miss being their ate. As a daughter, I want to make my titas, mama, and papa proud of me. I would like to thank God, my family, my teachers, and my classmates for always helping me in my work. May God bless us all and good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. I